So, let me tell you about the legendary office prank war that unfolded at my workplace. It all started innocently enough with a harmless kick me sign taped to the back of Greg from accounting. We all had a good laugh, and Greg took it like a champ, but oh boy, did things escalate quickly from there. The next day, Greg retaliated by filling Bob's cubicle with balloons. Bob retaliated by replacing Greg's computer wallpaper with a photo of a grumpy cat wearing a tie. And thus, the great prank war of 2023 began. Every day brought new and creative pranks, post-it note mosaics on office doors, fake spiders strategically placed in desk drawers, and even a well-timed air horn under someone's chair during the meeting. Sorry, Karen. Closing parenthesis. Things reached peak hilarity when someone managed to sneak a life-size cardboard cutout of the boss into the break room, complete with a speech bubble saying, "Who wants a raise?" The reactions were priceless, ranging from shock to amusement to brief panic. The war continued for weeks, with each prank getting more elaborate and absurd than the last. It became the talk of the office, with everyone eagerly anticipating the next move. Even our normally stoic HR manager couldn't help but crack a smile. In the end, the prank war came to a peaceful resolution when the CEO declared a ceasefire, acknowledging the creativity and camaraderie it brought to the team. We all shared a good laugh, shook hands, and returned to our usual work routines, albeit with a newfound respect for our prankster colleagues. And thus, the epic office prank war of 2023 became a cherished memory, reminding us that sometimes a little mischief can bring us closer together. But let's just say we're all keeping an eye out for any suspicious-looking rubber chickens or whoopee cushions just in case the war reignites.